just cause we're moving things around on the floor.
Yeah.
Well, let's check your range of motion for the neck first. So just sitting there, have you look down as far as you can, back.
It's ready to move it.
Does that cause any back pain, pain at all? Right and left.